What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers. Welcome to the channel. What I want to talk about tonight is if you want to make a short-term quick flip on a card, these are some of the things that you can look for to try to make those plays. We're just going to talk about it. I'm going to flip the camera around and let's just get into it. This is the Charmander promo from the Obsidian Flame ETB. 675 near mint. Come down, you look at the chart, you could see it's going to the moon. This thing's spiking, it's going crazy. It's really only like $1 or $2, very small move. But why is this happening? Why all of a sudden, after 3 months of this thing going sideways, is it just kind of going up a little bit? This might not be obvious for everybody. So for some people out there, you might be like, Chris, this is so obvious. Like, come on, you're better than this. So the reason I think this card is going up is because of this card, the Bulbasaur, this illustration rare by Akra. Very similar art style. Bulbasaur hanging out, home environment, Pidgeys, that type of art. You got the same exact thing over here with the Squirtle. You can't tell me that this card isn't now severely underpriced, considering you can now collect all three starters in a very similar art style. To have all three of these cards next to each other is going to be gorgeous. It's hopefully going to be a cheap little goal. I mean, they're illustration rares, so we don't really know what the Squirtle and the Bulbasaur are going to be priced at, but I can't imagine them being too cheap with the potential to collect all three of the cards like this. So for me, I think that even if this card goes up another $1 or $2, I think this card is kind of underpriced because I think collectors are going to gravitate towards this card in the near future, and they might not even know it yet, because if they're not going to Justin Basil and checking out the visual set list and they don't know what cards are coming out, you do. You can go to justinbasil.com. You can go to what's next, and you could click on the visual set list of the next set coming out, and he'll give you everything that he knows. I'm assuming this is a one-man site. I have no idea, but you'll get everything that they know right there. Because of that, you can get ahead of the curve. Another thing you could do is you could go back to this and you could look at the cards. You could see what's here. Oh, full art Pokemon. Any popular Pokemon in here? Oh, Lapras EX. So you go over to TCG Player, type in Lapras EX, see what other people are going to see when they're searching for the cards you think that they're going to be searching for. Lapras EX might not have been the best example. There's only one card, Ruby and Sapphire. I wouldn't be surprised to see if this card goes up for a short period after Stellar Crown is released. Maybe it won't. I don't know how many people are going to be looking for the Lapras EX full art. Not my favorite. I have to see it in person. Maybe it'll look better, but this is just a thought process you should have. Another quick example is Shrouded Fable, just right around the block. Kingdra EX. I think this Kingdra EX full art is one of the nicer looking cards in the set. I definitely think people are going to be looking for this card. So go to TCG Player, type in Kingdra EX, see what shows up. Oh, you got Ultra Rare from Fates Collide. You have an Ultra Rare from Dragon's Majesty, which just Dragon. I don't even really know, to be honest, what set that is. Whatever. Maybe that card's underpriced. Maybe this card's underpriced. Maybe the full art from Fates Collide is underpriced. My point is, these are things that you could do to get ahead of making speculative plays. People are always talking about, oh, this card's going up, go buy it now. This card's going up, go buy it now. If you're watching a go buy it now video, sometimes it's a little late, because people see these videos and people realize, or at least they think, that other people are going to watch a video and see the same video and go buy it. So maybe, people try to captivate on that aspect of it, but try to get ahead of this. Try to get ahead of these people. And these, in my opinion, are some of the ways that you can. But this was just a quick video tonight. Things on the mind, things to think about, and, just ways to try to get ahead of the curve. Try to make a play before everybody else makes a play. These are my comments. Let me know your comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, whatever you guys got for me. I appreciate everything. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.